How we can use geometrical method for multiplication of expressions. Let us look into these examples. First one, I drew a rectangle of breadth 5 cm and length 8 cm. Then we know that its area is 5 into 8. Then I extended the breadth by x centimeter. Only I extended the breadth. Then what is the total length? That is, here it will be 5 plus x centimeter. Since already 5 centimeter is there and it is extended by x centimeter. So the length of that rectangle is 5 plus x. Then the previous length is 8 centimeter. Then what will be the total area of this figure? Here we got two rectangles. First one 5 centimeter breadth and 8 centimeter length. The next one x centimeter. Only this part we want to select. X centimeter breadth and already this length we know that is 8 centimeter. This length. Then what is the area of this part? That is this shaded part. What is the area? That is x into 8. Then what is the total area? 5 into 8 plus x into 8. That is 5 into 8 plus x into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. 40 plus 8x. That is the total area of this whole figure. And without taking the separate one, how can we find the area of this total rectangle? What is the length? 5 plus x. That is the measure of this side is 5 plus x and this side is 8 centimeter. So what is the area of a rectangle? That is length into breadth. That is length into breadth. Let us take length as 8 and breadth as 5 plus x. Then what we get? We already got the total area is 40 plus 8x. How we find length into breadth? Length is 8 and breadth is 5 plus x. So using this method we can find the total area of a rectangle. The same way, how we can find the area of this figure? Here first I draw a rectangle of 5 cm breadth and 6 cm length. Then what is the area of this figure? That is 5 into 6 equal 30 cm square. Then I extended this side by x centimeter and this side by y centimeter. Then what is the total length of this side? Already 5 centimeter is there and I extended this by x centimeter. Then what is the total length? That is 5 plus x. Then the other side I extended y centimeter. Already 6 centimeter is there and again I extended y centimeter. Then what is the total length? That is 6 plus y. Then we got 4 divisions are there. Then what is the area of this part? That is 4 area. Part 1, 2, 3 and 4. First we got the area as 30 centimeter square and second area, since only this part is x and the length is 6 centimeter. This part is x centimeter and the length is 6 centimeter. So the area is 6 into x. That is 6x. Then third part. Only this part is y centimeter and this length. What is the length? That is 5 centimeter. That is the first rectangle side. So this is 5 centimeter and the length is y centimeter. So area is equal to 5 into y. Then the last part, that is the fourth part. What is the length of this side? That is x and the other side y. So what is the area? That is x into y. Then without taking part by part, how can we find the area of this rectangle? That is length is 5 plus x and this side is 6 plus y. Then what is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, that is 5 plus x into 6 plus y, that is length into breadth, but we got it as 30 plus 6x plus 5y plus xy. That is the total area of this figure. That is, first we take a rectangle, then extended both sides by x centimeter and y centimeter. Then we got 4 parts. Then each part separately we want to find the area. Then find the total area by adding all the areas. That is 30 plus 6x plus 5y plus xy. And already we know the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So here the sides are 5 plus x and 6 plus y. So if we multiply that, we will get the total area of that figure. That is 30 plus 6x plus 5y plus xy.